Exception chaining in Python allows developers to link exceptions, preserving the original context when a new exception is raised. This technique enhances debugging by maintaining a clear error trace. Understanding the mechanics and syntax of chained exceptions is crucial for building robust applications, ensuring that error handling is both informative and efficient. Exception chaining in Python allows you to link exceptions, preserving the original error context. This technique is crucial for debugging, as it maintains a clear cause and effect chain. By using raise from, you ensure both exceptions are visible, aiding in identifying the root cause and simplifying error resolution. Without exception chaining, the original error context is lost, making debugging difficult as the root cause is obscured. By using chaining, as in raise value error from E, the full error history is preserved. This ensures both exceptions are visible, providing a clear cause and effect and a complete debugging context. Exception chaining in Python links. Exceptions occurring during error handling, preserving the complete error history. Each exception references the previous one via the chart context chars attribute, and any explicitly specified cause via the chars cause chars attribute. This forms a linked list, enabling developers to trace the full sequence of events leading to a failure. Python 3 supports two types of exception chaining: implicit and explicit. Implicit chaining occurs automatically when an exception is raised during handling, using the char context chars attribute. Explicit chaining, however, is intentional, using the from keyword to specify the nature cause as attribute. This allows developers to maintain precise control over error context. Implicit chaining captures errors during exception handling, automatically setting the patmard context I attribute. For instance, if a file not found error occurs and a name error follows, both are shown. This breadcrumb trail helps trace the error's origin, enhancing debugging by revealing where the handling process failed. Explicit chaining with the from keyword links exceptions, clarifying causal relationships. For instance, a database error can be raised from an SQLite3.operational error, indicating the root cause. This method documents error translation, preserves details, and simplifies debugging by showing architectural boundaries, enhancing error handling clarity. Exception attributes, char cause, and char context play crucial roles in error handling. Cause is set by explicit chaining using from, establishing a direct causal link. Context is automatically set, providing implicit background. The char suppress context, doc flag, set to true with from, hides implicit context, prioritizing explicit chains for clarity and debugging. The from none syntax in Python suppresses the original exception, showing only the new one. For instance, in safe divide, a zero division error is hidden, raising a value error instead. This approach is beneficial when the original exception offers no user value, but it should be used cautiously as it complicates debugging. Suppressing exception context is crucial in user-facing APIs to prevent confusion from internal details. It enhances security by hiding sensitive information like file paths or credentials. In expected error conditions, it allows for raising domain-specific errors, improving user experience. However, it complicates debugging, so use it only when necessary. API error translation involves wrapping exceptions like connection error or timeout in a custom API error class. This ensures a consistent error interface and maps errors to HTTP status codes, such as 503 for service unavailability. It preserves the root cause for detailed logging, providing a clean abstraction for external callers. Traversing the exception chain involves iterating through the cause, ice, and context, attributes of an exception. This method is crucial for custom logging systems and debugging tools, as it allows for a comprehensive analysis of the error sequence. By printing each exception level, developers gain insights into the error's origin and propagation. The retry with context pattern enhances error handling by preserving the last encountered exception while adding context about retry attempts. It uses exponential backoff for retries and chains exceptions to provide insights into both retry logic and the root cause of failure. This approach is crucial for robust error management in operations like data fetching. Exception Group in Python 3.11 Plus enables bundling multiple exceptions, ideal for concurrent operations, batch processing, and validation with multiple issues. In batch processing, exceptions are collected and raised as a group, allowing detailed error handling. This approach enhances debugging by providing a comprehensive view of all errors encountered during execution. Preserving stack traces is crucial for debugging. Avoid converting exceptions to strings, as it loses valuable traceback and type information. Instead, use explicit chaining to maintain the full debugging context. This approach adds helpful context while preserving the complete exception chain, ensuring that all relevant information is retained for effective error analysis. Logging exception chains is crucial for debugging. Use logger.error with exc.info just true to capture the full traceback. Enhance logs with details like chain length and root cause type. Utilize walk exception chain to traverse exceptions and get root cause to identify the original error, ensuring comprehensive error analysis. In domain-specific error boundaries, each architectural layer should translate exceptions to its abstraction level while preserving the chain. The data layer handles database exceptions, the business layer manages domain exceptions, and the API layer deals with HTTP exceptions. For instance, a data access error in the data layer can escalate to a business logic error in the business layer. Testing exception chains is crucial to ensure error context is preserved. Use PyTest to verify exception chains, checking that business logic error maintains its cause, like data validation error. Also, test context suppression with user-friendly error, ensuring no chain is exposed and context is suppressed. This guarantees robust error handling and clarity in debugging. Exception chaining introduces a modest 15% performance overhead, yet it remains memory efficient by sharing stack frame objects. The real advantage lies in debugging, where well-chained exceptions can have the time needed by offering complete context. Prioritize optimizing happy paths over error handling, as exceptions are meant for exceptional cases. Avoid common anti-patterns in exception handling. Never swallow exceptions. Always handle or re-raise them to maintain visibility. Breaking the chain by raising new exceptions without from e loses valuable context. Over-suppressing context with from none complicates debugging. Instead, log exceptions, add context, and preserve the chain for effective error management. Context managers like Error Context enhance exception handling by adding operational context. When an error occurs, it raises an operation error with metadata, preserving the original exception. This approach aids in debugging by providing detailed context, such as operation name and metadata, ensuring clarity in complex operations like user registration and analytics updates. Integrating exception chains with modern Python features enhances error handling in asynchronous code. Use async await to manage exceptions like asyncio.timeout_error and aiohttp.client_error, raising custom exceptions for clarity. Type hints and doc strings improve documentation and integrated development environment support, ensuring robust error management in async operations and input validation. Utilize Python's pdb.postmortem to inspect exception chains, stepping through each event. Enhance comprehension with libraries like Rich for syntax highlighting. Employ error tracking services such as Sentry to parse and group-related errors, revealing the causal sequence. Develop custom formatters to present exception information tailored to your team's debugging needs. Preserve context by using from e when re-raising exceptions to maintain error history. Opt for explicit chaining with from to clarify error translation. Use from none sparingly, only when the original exception lacks debugging value. Test exception chains to ensure they remain intact. Log with exc.info true for complete stack traces. Exception chaining elevates error handling by preserving context and documenting causality. It transforms debugging into a clear narrative, making systems robust and easier to maintain. By consistently applying these patterns, diagnosing and fixing production failures becomes straightforward, distinguishing professional code from novice attempts.